Paul Harrison, General Manager, Eagle Fence Distributing. I started Eagle Fence 10 years ago with a partner out of Norman, Oklahoma called Southwestern Wire. What I'm most proud of is the people and the environment we've created and the atmosphere. We all work together. We've created a plan to where we hire good people and we leave them alone and let them manage their business. It obviously creates jobs locally and within this country, and it obviously helps our economy. By buying domestic product, it also assists in our purchasing because we don't have to plan as far ahead when you buy domestically than you do buying overseas. The domestic product's more readily available, so we don't have to plan 3 months or 6 months in advance for inventory, and we don't have to roll the dice to try and decide what we need in inventory. The domestic product typically is a better quality product than what we get offshore. When you're in this business, as long as I've been, driving down the road, you're always looking at fences. It never stops. And we're proud of the fact that we know when we see a project that we've supplied material for, it makes us feel good, obviously.